Did you know that with the right tricks, your lip stain can actually last all day, without constant touch-ups? Lip stains have taken over makeup bags everywhere, loved for their lightweight feel and effortless color. But while they seem simple, many people struggle with patchy application, uneven color, or fading that ruins the whole look. That's why today, I'm sharing 5 game-changing lip stain hacks that will totally upgrade your beauty routine. First up, always exfoliate your lips. Smooth lips mean smooth stain. Alright, so here's the thing. Try layering your stain in thin coats. It helps build up a richer, more durable color that lasts longer. Trust me, it's such a game changer. Don't skip lip liner. It's not just for lipstick, it keeps your stain from bleeding. One underrated trick is blotting between layers to build a natural flush that lasts. And finally, the ultimate hack: set your lip stain with a tiny bit of translucent powder through a tissue. It locks everything in without ruining the finish. These simple yet powerful techniques will transform how you use lip stains forever. Let me know in the comments which hack you're excited to try. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more fun and easy makeup tips.